Minista wa ugima wa mwiri DUALE ni kinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate egi ugima wa mwiri gutariria mendekithia meru makuramata thuguri ya thigara na indo ingi iria ithondekagwo kuhitukira mbaki na nicotine.
Gum disease.
Kuringana na DUALE ni ati gukinyanirio kwa mogaruruku macio kumanite na wongerereku wa indo itakinyanirie ikiro cia kuhuthika undu uria uraiga ahuthiri a mbaki ugwati-ini makiria.
So I don't know whether you can make that difference so that we can understand the danger you saw to try and come up with an amendment on e-cigarettes.
So we are telling the people that it doesn't only harm the person smoking, but even have the person who's not smoking.
Mendekithia maya mari na micoro na mandiko maronania moimirira ma uhuthiri wa thigara kuria ciuhuthiri na mangihitukio. Micoro eyo ikugathikwo bagiti-ini cia thigara.
Tobacco is actually a non-carcinogen, one of those products that is actually known to cause cancer.
These graphic health warnings are a proven public health intervention. They form a vital part of our national strategy to reduce tobacco use, protect consumers and prevent disease.
Matanya ma ministry ni kunyihia ugucia wa thigara na indo ingi hari mbeu njithi niguo kunyihia mirimu iria cungagiririo ni ugucia wa thigara iria ni hamwe na kansa ya mahuri, kansa ya mumero undu umwe na kansa ya rurimi.
Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, basically you cannot be able to breathe because tobacco and tobacco products have destroyed the architecture of your lungs, and therefore gaseous exchange at the lung level becomes a problem.
Oho DUALE ni eteteire na kuga ndari na uigiririki o wothe wa gutabania mogaruruku megie uhuthiri wa mira na muguka kuona itikoragwo rungu rwa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri. Ngiribotera KAMITI TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.